Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today I'm looking through my comments and trying to find common questions and give you some answers. I do it every now and then. I haven't done it in a while, trying to get back in the groove of doing this. So this is one I found on not just the Dodge Grand Caravan video, but on some other emissions locations videos. That was like a Ford Explorer, I think, and some other ones. Essentially, we'll go with this comment. This one asks, great video. So many only show the rear sensors pertaining to the oxygen sensors or air fuel ratio sensors, depending on what you're looking for. Quick question. Do you know if all the sensors are the same part number or if they are specific to the position? Or do they have all the same part numbers? I.e., sensor bank 1, sensor 1 is part number X, and sensor bank 1, sensor 2 is part number X. And you got a few questions on here. It's asking the same thing. So now you can see it, hopefully. But usually oxygen sensors or air fuel ratio sensors are specific to the location on the vehicle. On this specific vehicle, you actually have two oxygen sensors that will fit the whole vehicle. Always, when you're getting oxygen sensors, make sure you get direct fit, not universal fit. The ones you cut on and splice in, I don't recommend them. So make sure you get direct fit oxygen sensors when you do purchase them. To see which ones or if your vehicle has specific ones, I always go to my local auto parts seller or distributor, such in this case is O'Reilly's, but they're not paying me to do this. So look for links in the description below to purchase the parts if you're looking for anything. In this case, I'm looking at an NTK Sensor, one of my favorite brands. And on this vehicle, this one sensor fits all these positions. Downstream left, so that's bank 2 sensor 2. Also, this one fits upstream left, bank 2 sensor 1, as well as the upstream right, bank 1 sensor 1. So this one fits all these three positions as a direct fit oxygen sensor or air fuel ratio sensor. The other oxygen sensor or air fuel ratio sensor is only for that one placement. Let's find it. That's going to be your bank 1 sensor 2 is the only unique sensor on this certain vehicle. But if you look at other vehicles, if you have a V engine, so like a V8, V6, you're going to have a bank 1 and bank 2. A straight 6 on a BMW and a Lexus, I believe, might have a bank 1, bank 2, but I could be wrong. Let's stick with the easy ones on this. A V engine, usually your number 1 cylinder is your bank 1, and then the opposite side is your bank 2. You will have a catalytic converter. Before the catalytic converter, you're going to have an oxygen sensor. So between the engine and the catalytic converter, that will be your sensor 1 location, depending on if it's on bank 1 or bank 2 of the engine. So you will also have rear oxygen sensors or air fuel ratio sensors that will be behind the catalytic converter. Those are only measured or used to measure the efficiency of the catalytic converter. They usually, and they should not, adjust your fuel ratio or make an adjustment to that, but I have seen cases where it has. So be careful with that one. Those will be your rear O2 sensors or your such as bank 2 sensor 2 locations. That's your after catalytic converter sensors. That's your 2 locations. What else to do on that one? I think that is it. And maybe you have some questions or you have a question about another portion of your vehicle. Feel free to ask away. I'll do my best to give you an answer. If I need to, I'll hop on Mitchell 1 On Demand 5 and get you an answer. Check out the TSBs or something like that. And always, if you want to check out vehicle repair manuals, if you want step-by-step directions, torque specifications, or anything like that, make sure you check out Mitchell 1 On Demand 5. There's a link in the description below to purchase that. It's a subscription, a 1-month, 3-month thing, but it is very, very helpful. I have it on one of my computers over here, but I don't have all the brand new vehicles. So sometimes people ask me questions I don't have the answers to, and it costs me a couple dollars to get those answers. So hopefully you can sign up yourself and avoid me spending those couple dollars. But if you have a question, comment below, ask away. I will hopefully see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for watching Scotties Hobbies.